Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shub. So let's start with the video now. In this video, first of all, I'm going to tell you what is pollination. So let's begin. So before knowing what is pollination, let us see what are the three main features of pollination. So the three main features of the pollination are, so the first one is pollen grains. To pollen grains we can also say pollens. Okay, the second one is flowers. So here we'll be also talking about the parts of flower. Okay, then the third one is agents. So here we're going to talk about the agents of pollination and what are agents also. So now, what are the agents of pollination? So the agents of pollination are wind. First is the wind, second we have water, and the third one is our insects. Now what are winds means, how can wind, water and insects help us in the process of pollination and how they can be the agents of pollination. So now let us discuss that. So first, if we are talking about wind, then how can wind help in the pollination? So see, whensoever wind passes from one flower to another, means whensoever there's a very heavy wind, then the wind takes the pollen grains from one male part to the female part. Okay, so it helps in the pollination. Same is with the water, and insects are also same. So now next we are going to talk about the next thing, that is what are the parts of flowers. So let's see them also. So how many parts do flower has? So flower has two parts, the one is the male and the second one is the female. So now we're going to discuss that how many pollens do male and female has. So male and female have two pollens. The male also has two and the female also have two only. Now female gives both the pollens for making egg, and the male reproductive organ only gives one pollen for the making of the egg. But now where does the male reproductive organ use that one pollen? So the male reproductive organ uses that one pollen in the process of pollination. Now we are going to discuss what is the process of pollination. So what is the process of pollination? The process in which male gives one pollen to the female by the help of the agents of pollination like wind, water and insects are known as pollination. So the pollination is a process in which the male reproductive organ, okay, so first we are knowing that we have a male reproductive organ, and the male reproductive organ also has one pollen, right? Now it gives one pollen to the female, now by the help of the agents of pollination, because the male reproductive organ by itself, it cannot give the pollen to the female because they are having different areas, right? So that's why it takes the help of wind, water and insects.